It's cleanup day after Mother Nature made her presence loud and clear this weekend in Las Vegas. Winds so strong it caused a fire near DI and Grand Canyon. The wind also uprooting several trees. 8 News Now viewers sending in images from several parts of the valley. The wind making the dust spread across town. The Strip skyline almost impossible to see, and drivers having a tough time seeing in the distance near Blue Diamond and Las Vegas Boulevard. Wind gusts reached up to 60 miles an hour at times, causing several watches and warnings. Mother Nature giving us another reminder of just how strong she could be. Victoria Saha, 8 News Now.